Okay, we want to evaluate a piecewise function. This may be and probably is brand new to you, so don't be intimidated by it. Once you see how they work, it's really pretty straightforward. So a key to a piecewise function is that we have multiple pieces over different domains. So this is kind of the common format you'll see. And the cool thing about them, and it has to be this way, is they tell you what interval applies to which equation. So sometimes we describe functions as a machine, right? If I plug a number into this machine, it twists and turns, whatever it does to it, and it spits out another number. Well, in this case, this machine simply has multiple slots. So it's got one slot where we plug numbers into this. It's got another slot where we plug numbers into this equation. And we know which one to plug it into based on this information. This is like the instructions. There's a sticker right by the slot that tells you what to plug where. So let's walk through this. So we want to evaluate for each of these three values. So I basically want to find f of 2. Well, we know what that means. Just plug 2 into the function. Or I'm sorry, f of negative 2. Let's make sure we get that negative there. Well, now we have two options, but we don't really, because the instructions tell us which one to plug it into. Well, f of negative 2. So x, if it does not equal 9, plug it into this, is what that tells us. Well, negative 2 definitely does not equal 9. And so I'm going to plug it into this. So that equals negative 2 cubed, and I get negative 8 for my answer there. So f of negative 2 is negative 8. Let's do f of 4. Again, look over here at the instructions. Well, 4 does not equal 9. Okay, so it goes into this one as well. So I have 4 cubed, and you plug that in your calculator if you want, but that's going to be 64. And let's do the last one, f of 9. Now look at the instructions. Oh, 9 does not equal 9. Not true. X equals 9. So in this case, yeah, 9 is 9. And so it goes into this one. So I'm going to do the square root of 9. Again, I'm just putting my 9 there for the x. And of course, that is 3. So we'll see another one coming up, but that's how piecewise functions work. Just look at the interval out here, look at the domain they specify. Then other than that, it's evaluating a function just like normal.